Welcome to Garson.Pro. In this video, you'll learn what automation rules are, how scheduled rules work, what they can change, and how to run a rule manually. Automation rules help you keep your menu up to date without doing repetitive work. Typical use cases are daily lunch menus, weekend specials, happy hours, or temporarily hiding items when the kitchen is closed. Automation rules are timer-based. You choose when the rule runs and what it changes. A rule can target menu sections, menu items, tags to update many linked items at once, option groups, or single options. And a rule can change only two things: visible to show or hide, and available to allow ordering or disable ordering. Now, let's create an example rule. First, we click Create. Enter a name that clearly describes what the rule does. For example, lunch menu, show at 11 o'clock, in the automation name field. Choose what the rule will target. In this example, we update a menu section, but the same flow works for menu items, tags, option groups, and single options. Select Change Menu from the Rule dropdown. Assign the entities that this rule should control. Use the List button under Assign To. Select what you need and apply. Choose the action. Make Visible shows content. Make Hidden removes it from the customer menu. Make Available enables ordering. Make Unavailable keeps it visible but blocks ordering. For this example, select your action. Next, set the schedule. Optionally set a start date, for example, from next Monday. Set the time when the rule should run, like 11 o'clock. Set the duration. This defines how long the schedule window is active after each start. For example, a 1 or 2 hour duration works well for lunch specials. Choose how often the rule repeats. Daily is typical for lunch menus, weekly for weekend offers, hourly for periodic checks. Select Daily for frequency. Choose when the rule ends, no end, which runs forever, until a date, or repeat for end times. We will select No End. Save the automation rule. You don't need a second hide rule. In Garson.Pro, duration is made exactly for this. The rule applies the action, keeps it active for the set duration, and then automatically reverts the change. Even if a rule has a schedule, you can run it manually. This is useful for testing or when you need the change to apply immediately. Open the automation rules list, select a rule, and click Run Now. The rule runs instantly and applies its action right away. If the rule has a duration, the change is temporary and will be reverted automatically after the duration ends. If you click Run Now again while the rule is still active, the rule is toggled. The current automation effect is reverted immediately, and the rule is reapplied, starting a fresh duration from that moment. This allows you to quickly apply, reset, or retest automation behavior without waiting for the original duration to finish.